Sideways. Okay, down the level 1 corridor is where you can find help. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Xavier and this is Harding, and if you need to get help for any issues in this school, you can go to 108 where you can speak to Miss Harding about your issues and talk about it, and everything here is confidential, so what you say will stay in here.
Yeah, I'll just add to that. You can also go to Mrs. Carter, her room is 105. And in terms of confidentiality, anything you tell us is confidential as long as you're not being harmed by anybody or you're not harming yourself. And if those two things were happening, then we can't tell you that, we can keep it a secret. But most of the things are confidential. So yeah, we're the people to come to if you're needing some support, and then we can help you with that and maybe look at referring you on to somebody else.
This is Miss Carter's office, so if you feel sad, you can come here if you want. Yeah.
Why do you write notes all the time? No.
Yeah, so here's the coordinator's room, 107, just go here if you need help with your life.